Bana Mhlolo. What's up, everybody? Jupiter here. Welcome to Mozart Production. Now, listen, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. I know it's written Mozart, but I need you to understand. The reason why I started this channel is because of other endeavors that have to do nje no Zion. One thing that I said once I start this channel that I'm going to do is also appreciate the clap and tap. I've been reacting for a year and it's been an amazing thing. And I realized to go in the clap and tap now. And I've been trying to, encourage abantu clap and tap to do what I'm doing. But I was telling like, yo, listen, I am like currently searching for my video that has just dropped like lately. And I do promise to attend my event account. I do promise. So today we are reacting to Isaac and the Multi Messengers Boge rehearsal yabo. So this video was dropped like 2 months ago. So without wasting you guys' time, as to me, I don't know what to expect. I don't know. All I'm saying, Uguti, it's because of his all sweet melodies that I've started this and I started reacting. So as to me. Yeah, hey, what's happening? No, hold on. I'm still new to this whole thing, right? And also, hang on, guys. Oh, Mr. Isaac, didn't he pass on? Isn't it? Is it him? I don't know. I think it is him. Didn't he pass on? Abo Marawai Lieta so Marawai. Like, you understand, Uguti? Itlap and Telp has always been a part of my life. But because Memuntasa Zion, I never really paid attention to it. Because both Mogu, Pegelele Apo Zion, it's Postal and Zion. You understand? And I never like really until I started meeting the likes of Abo Umfundi Sutumsan and hearing him say Ugutu Kulele Zion. I was like, say what? You understand? And those interview of Kosha, I'll definitely leave the link before. Where Postol, yabo, you see, umfundisi uDumsane, umkhulu, umkhulu Vusi, umfundisi uBongani Makhubo. I know there's other singers as well that I'm forgetting their names. I really do apologize. But those are like the three people that I've met. Ebashaya Clement, understand? Which made me look at this whole thing in a different spectrum. And I'm like, so all of y'all, Nisuka Zion, they're like, yeah. I'm like, you lie. Understand? Maybe. I don't know. I'm just saying. But I can't sing though. I can't sing. I can't sing. What is going on? What is going What is going on? I'm trying to make sense right now. What is going Yo, if y'all do see this, can somebody explain something? What is going on? Like, what am I listening to right now? Like, bruv, my ears. I'm trying to. The Lords, I call upon you right now. May you enter this place because it's very hot out here. And I said, like, what? These people are out here swinging with their voices like nobody's business. And like, we rala. I have been missing out with Clip and Tap. And yeah. Yo. And I'm on Channel Triple C. It's always packed. Who invented it? Like who invented Clepin? Like who said nah ngengicule so ngizocula kanje? Because understand, as Ayoni, we only safuta and we step, right? As Ayoni. Typical. And then y'all and yeah, listen, and then you go like, hey, hang on, who invented this? Who sat down and said, "Mm-mm, ngicule songs ucula kanje?" Like whoever did this, we need to build a stage on his own. No, we have to. We And like personally, I don't like instrument. I think Itlap and Tap is the only faith music because I don't like categorizing them. I think it's choral. Yeah, it's choral music. I don't like categorizing this Zionist gospel. It's two different things. I understand. I think the only time I can make an exception when it comes to an instrument with Tap and Tap. But personally, I don't like instruments. I don't like instruments when it comes to praising God. For me, that's it. Because I listen to a lot of instrument. I'm a hip hop guy. Come on, bruh. So trust me, when I hear a song, first thing is bezohlangana nami lapha esitradini sengibhizi laphaya. But anko lapho la engikhona ukuthi I personally don't like an instrument when it comes to music. I am not degrading no one's music. Hear me. That's why ngeke ngithole ngilalela gospel kakhulu because nje kuyarasa laphaya. But this is beautiful, bro. This is crazy. Like I would like Baba in the rehearsal, nje, even if I won't stay there for like too long, just be there and like listen to the guys sing. And I'm so mad at myself because last year I got a chance. We were attending someone died was a piri become someone big a posto a Tlepentep. I don't know who it was, bro. People engbazi that I saw on a regular basis, I didn't know they were singers. I think we got there, we saw like 6, 7, 8 choirs. Must figure there was a choir bephuma khona engenayo. So, umthetho waseTlebentep uso. If people are singing ungena makuthulile. Ezayona ungena kuculo. I understand. So, I'm standing at the door kuthulekile. I hear singing. I'm trying to open the door. This person is like umile. I'm like, yo, I'm trying to answer this guy at him. Manyani, babine bafetse betlotla again. And then when I was inside, I asked, and then they're like, no, bro. When people are singing, you can't disturb them. Logo pants pizzo. And I was like, every day we learn new things. You're not lying though. For not being able to break down the lyrics, yeah, there is so to sisangila kancane. But I'm not sure if they're saying Bupilo ba how kile rato. And I'm trying to make sense of that because I know Bupilo is life and then Lerato is love. So I understand. So I'm still trying to break that, make it make sense. I may not be able to make it make sense right now, but give me time. It's like tuta who was Sesotho, yabo. Litlang yini kuhlaya kwenze ngesotho? Litlang theha. Ke nyaka ho ithuta ho bua Sesotho. Ke a itse hore batho ba re ko nna ke bua Sesotho le Setswana I mix them. That's why you hear me speaking English all the time. So now I'm out here killing myself. But eventually I'll get used to it. Ke tla leka ho bua Sesotho. Ngwanaka. That was crazy, bro. So expect more reaction as opposed to only. I'm gonna try my best to at least once, twice a week for now until I get a normal schedule so that I can balance because I have a lot of social media stuff to do. But this is amazing. So you're in a favorite rate of Mr. Chupi. It's happening. Me, I'm signing out. Adios. Thank you.